Here's how to fix Minecraft Launcher not installing. First, open Google Chrome or any other web browser on your computer. Search for Minecraft download and press enter. From the search results, open the official Minecraft website and click on the option to download Minecraft for Windows. The Minecraft installer should now begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer. You may see a message asking you to sign in to the Microsoft Store. Click on the option to log in and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free. After signing in, accept the terms and conditions and click Install. Now, if the launcher still refuses to install, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and select Sign Out. Once you've signed out, click the Sign In button again and log back into your Microsoft account. After signing in, use the search bar at the top and search for Minecraft. From the results, select Minecraft Launcher and try installing it directly from the Microsoft Store. If the installation is still not working, move on to the next method. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings application, then select Time and Language. Go to Date and Time and make sure Set Time Automatically is enabled. Also, make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is turned on. After that, go back to the Settings menu and select Network and Internet. Open the VPN section and check that you are not connected to a VPN. If a VPN connection is active, disconnect it before trying the installation again. Next, select Windows Update from the left-hand menu. Click Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for any available updates. If updates are available, download and install them. Once the updates are installed, go back to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Right-click Microsoft Store and select App Settings. In the Microsoft Store settings, scroll down until you find the Reset section. First, click Repair and allow Windows to complete the repair process. After that, click Reset and confirm the reset when prompted. Once the reset has finished, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Open the Run application. In the Run box, type wsreset.exe, then press Enter. Windows will clear the Microsoft Store cache and automatically open the Microsoft Store once the process is complete. When the store opens, sign back into your Microsoft account from the top right corner. After signing in, open your web browser again and go to your Downloads folder. Find the Minecraft installer you downloaded earlier and run it again. Check whether the launcher can now be installed successfully. If you're still unable to install Minecraft, open the Start menu and search for Xbox. Then launch the Xbox app. If you don't already have the Xbox app installed, you can download and install it for free on your computer. Once the Xbox app is open, click your profile picture in the top left corner and make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Now use the search bar at the top to search for Minecraft and press Enter. Scroll through the results and select Minecraft Launcher. Click Install, begin the installation. Then click Next and select Install. Allow the Xbox app to download and install the Minecraft launcher. This gives you another way to install the launcher without relying directly on the installer you downloaded from the Minecraft website. If none of the previous methods have worked, there is one final option you can try. Open your web browser again and search for Minecraft download. Open the official Minecraft website from the search results. Now scroll all the way down the download page. Instead of downloading the standard Windows version, look for the Windows Legacy Client option. Click on Windows Legacy Client to start the download. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. This is an alternative version of the Minecraft client that can be installed separately, so it can be useful if you're having problems with the standard launcher installation. After completing the installation steps, Minecraft should now be installed successfully on your system. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.